The Thule Urban Glide 3 Single Child Stroller feels impressively light yet solid, making it easy to push through city streets and park paths alike. Its combination of a locking swivel front wheel, large rear wheels, and air-filled tires with real suspension gives a noticeably smooth ride on rough sidewalks, gravel, and trails. The seat is thoughtfully designed with a built-in leg rest, deep recline, and a generously ventilated canopy, so babies and toddlers stay comfortable whether they are napping or looking around. Parents will appreciate the integrated handbrake and ergonomic adjustable handlebar, which together provide confident control on hills and a comfortable pushing position for different heights. The stroller folds down with one hand into a compact, self-standing package, and the fabrics can be removed from the frame, which makes storage, transport, and cleaning much easier. A spacious covered cargo basket, extra mesh pockets for snacks and toys, and compatibility with bassinets or infant car seat adapters make this a very practical everyday and jogging stroller from newborn stage onward.